Good day everyone. It's April 29, almost end of the month. Tomorrow, last day of April. This is our Lucas again, saying, I'm back to the garden. Sa Langley busy po ako at ito po yung karaniwang makikita kapag panahon ng spring. Yan. So, ito po yung aking rodo na hitik na hitik sa pamumulaklak. White po siya na may tint of pink. Ito po yung aking blackcurrant. I think I've shared you a lot about this. Berries po siya. And look at, it's starting to have the berries after its flowering season. Ito po siya. So this is one of the plants that I have given a lot to my friends after I did the cutting. Pagkatapos po, pinatubo ko yung mga small seedlings, ay yun po yung pinamigay ko. So hopefully, lahat ng binigyan ko, meron na silang blackcurrant. This is one of the berries na supposed to be very nutritious, sabi nila. No? So ito na po yung aking blackcurrant. Nakita nyo, ang lalaki nila, no? Ito po yung aking peonies. This is pink peonies. Yung nasa harapan ko, yung white peonies. This was a gift from my husband ng isang Mother's Day way back in 2000, I think 2008, nung bago pa lang kami dun sa townhouse somewhere in Fleetwood. Yan. So, dinala ko po siya kasi nilagay ko siya sa paso and napadami ko rin po siya. I have about 3 potted ponies. Ito po yung direct to the soil kasi sabi ko baka lumipat na naman yung mga anak ko. So nagtira po ako sa paso. So yung aking sidar na itinanim, siguro po to mga 2 feet high. Nung itinanim po siya ay 1 foot. Kasi mas maliit, mas cheaper, mas taller yung pag bumibili ka ng cedar plants. Usually ginagamit to for fencing, no? So I bought around 5 of them, but 2 lang po yung nabuhay. So ganun po sa pagtatanim. Sometimes successful ka, sometimes mamamatay, masasaktan ka, but tulad ng tao, meron mga successful at meron namang kinakailangan pang mas maraming effort to be successful. No? These are some of the succulents. When I bought that in Port Kells, isang maliit na cans worth $4.99. But right now, marami na akong napalago nito. No? Ginawa ko siyang ground cover at the same time hanging plants kasi maganda siya dahil yung vine niya parang clinging vine. Yun. So yan, blackcurrant pa rin to. Ito po yung additional rhododendron, the surviving one, yung white. Kasi before, ang gusto ko dito sa fence namin, all white rhododendron. And then sa lower portion, I planted hydrangeas of various color kasi para contrast. It so happened, of about 8 rhododendron, 2 lang yung talagang naging successful. So, the rest, Autumn Joy, yung Autumn Joy, dala ko rin to from Fleetwood, yung townhouse namin. Isang paso lang siya, but because ang ganda ng nabili namin soil, continuous ang growth niya, and now I have a bunch of it. Ito, hellebores, one of the best plant during spring. Ano po ito? Pink hellebores. I also have the yellow green and the white one. Yeah. So I started replanting. This is the trampoline of my grandchildren because it's still cold, a little bit cold in Langley. So we try to cover it with trampoline cover, and nagkaroon siya ng rainwater na ginagamit ko to be able to water my plant. Sabi nila, if you water the plant using rainwater, mas healthy. So, I did transplant the hostas, the yellow hostas. I got around 4 of these. And this is the bok choy. Bok choy is pechay sa Pilipinas na I did bought the bok choy at H Mart. Nakita ko, iniwan ko lang siya dun sa patio namin. Aba, may bunga bulaklak na. So, nireplan ko yung after I got yung gulay, I replanted yung itong mga natirang may bulaklak coming from the bunch I bought. So, ito siya, ang dami So, hopefully after a month or 2, meron na akong pechay on my own. This is how I started the Autumn Joy. Maliliit siya, tinatransplant ko sa mga container. No, I don't buy the container, this green container. When I bought seedling dun sa nursery, bumibili ako ng marami. And then pinaplant ko siya, it's either sa big pot, pag nakita kong successful or not. Ito, it's a Japanese Konica. Yellow ang flowers niyan. So, I'm trying after I did the pruning, itinuso ko siya. May ugat na siya. And I hope this is for giveaways to pagka meron na